So hello, my name is Ikhwan Abdul Aziz and I'm from SAK Battalion, and today I'll talk about submarine. Okay, this is just not about submarine. Okay, this is specifically about how the submarine sink or float in the ocean. So let's just jump right into it. So if the submarine has three tanks, which is those all are called ballast tank. Okay, so if you fill the ballast tank with water, and eventually the submarine will sink. How? So this is because the weight of the submarine is increasing, which means the weight is higher than the buoyant force. Okay, so what does this mean? So the resultant force will move downwards, so the submarine will sink. Yes. So what if the tank or the ballast tank release the water? So just reverse the situation. If you fill the tank with water, the tank will sink because the weight is higher than the buoyant force. But if you release the water from the tank, the ballast tank, the submarine will afloat because the weight is decreasing and also the weight is less than the buoyant force. So eventually the resultant force is going upwards and the submarine will rise up. Okay, after all of the explanation, and I think I want to show you something, and this is about the same concept with submarine, which is the experiment of Cartesian Diver. And I think that is really nice because the material to use it is very cheap, and also you can do it anywhere. Just do it anywhere and you will find the result. And this is quite interesting for you guys, so just check it out, and you can do it at home anytime. So just let's go. So right now we're going to show you how to make DIY Cartesian Diver model for yourself. You can do it at home. It's so cheap and simple. Which you need a straw, which is 7 cm. So at first you need to cut it and make sure it's this size. And later, after that, I guess the best way is to close the other hole with fire. So at first you need 2 coins and press it like this, and make sure there is like 1 cm above the coin, like this. Okay, now this candle, or you can even light it up like this, but I want to save the lighter, so I light up the candle and you just burn it off. Don't burn yourself, okay? This is a precaution step. Make sure your hand is not touch the fire. So there you have it. The straw is now been closed, the other hole. So you can remove the coin. And there you have it. You have the other side of the hole is being closed. So right now we can put this candle away. And now let us make a hole on the other side of the straw, which is also you need to 1 cm of the other side. Measure it, and is around this area. So that's because this straw has lines, so I use this line and also the other side of the line, which is the parallel, so it's be easier to make sure the thumbtack hit each other. So there you have it. You have the thumbtack like attach each other, but it's actually no. It's just like this side is above this side. But you can see it's like parallel, okay? It's like attached to each other, but it's not actually. So here you have it, the end product of the DIY Cartesian Diver, which is the top of the straw is being closed, or there is no airflow will go through it, and also the bottom part you have these 2 sides, to thumbtack this side. So now let us put it in the bottle. So right now we have two model in it. So first let me show you how the things will work. So right now, why the both of the straw is float? Because the buoyant force and also the weight is equal. So right now, let me show you how why the Cartesian Diver will sink. It is because when we press the water bottle, the pressure of the water is going through or flow into the straw, which make the straw is higher in weight. As the water has weight, so the water flows into the straw and the weight of the straw is increased, which means the weight of the straw is higher than the buoyant force. So let me push the water or press. Okay, let me press it. So there you have it. The straw is down at the bottom of the water, and as I release, both of the straw is at the top back. Why the straw is float after I release the pressure that I give to the bottom? Because when you release the pressure, the water will flow out, and the straw has less weight than before, which is the weight is equal to the buoyant force, which is the straw in the air will float to the top of the surface. So there you have it, the Cartesian Diver's model. So that's all from me, guys. Okay, thank you for all the people that got to support me, even if the video is not really good. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Okay, I know this is not a really good video, but I tried my best actually. But well, this is it. But anyway, thank you for the teachers for that come to teach me, and this is all credited to him or her. Okay, so thank you for all, thank you, and I see you guys later. Bye.